Hey, good morning, everybody. I just wanted to share with you that I went to the farmer's market, as I do every Saturday, and I picked up all my ingredients for this wonderful green smoothie. Got kale, my spinach, wheatgrass, I got all of my sprouts, celery, everything. Y'all need to stop lying because the green smoothies are disgusting. They're horrible. They're disgusting. I'm sorry. I have tried it with lemonade. I've tried it with kiwis. I put a little apple in there. I put a little, what is it? I say lemon. All these different, things to make it taste sweet and bright and yummy. And I'm sorry. I don't believe y'all. I think that you are filling our heads with a bunch of trash because it's nasty. There ain't no way it's good. But it is necessary. Okay, so I do offer a solution. I come in peace. Okay, I come in peace. I'm not coming as a total hater, but a little hater. I don't like it. I don't like green smoothies. But I know I need them. I need that. I need those vegetables in the morning. I need that, pick me up. And I need to look young forever. I do. That's the real reason why I do it. But anyway. So I'm going to share with you my solution. I've been preparing this green smoothie all night. Yes, all night. And here it is. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful green smoothie right there? Wonderful. It's got kale, broccoli, sprouts, cilantro, sprouts, celery, cabbage. My kids are doing a online lesson today, so I get a few minutes free, but clearly they're having a lot of fun right now. What else is in here? Peas. Oh, did I say wheatgrass? Yeah, wheatgrass in it if I didn't say it. But there it is. Dehydrated, blend up perfectly, mini, like make it look like powder. Like it's powder. And I could actually let this sit there and be okay for like a long time. And then I put it in one of these bad boys. There you go. Here's my green smoothie right here. Okay? I take like three and well, this is two. I can't count. This is two. The other one fell on the floor. But I take 3 of these. Sometimes I take it twice a day because, it'll cut my appetite down like crazy. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm sorry, green smoothies, like, I can't even, like, I'm swallowing and I'm like, okay, I know I need this. Lord have mercy, help me. This nasty. Like I said, it's tolerable. Like, I've eaten turmeric, golden seals. I know that there's, not everything's good for you. Tastes like, peach cobbler. I just thought about peach cobbler. It's not good. Anyway, so I put it in these clean, vegan tablets. I get them on Amazon. Fill them with my wonderful smoothie. There it is. Yay. And with some water or some juice. And boom, I'm good. Like, for real. Like, I'm telling you, I'm good. All morning. You're like, you haven't eaten all day? Nope. Have my green smoothie, though. So I'm telling you this so that you have an alternative to that yucky stuff, that is hard for people to get down, okay? There's some super people out there, clearly, that can take it to the head and gulp it down and lick their lips, and oh my gosh, it's so delicious. Look, save that for somebody else. I don't believe that mess. Nope, not at all. I just don't. No. And then plus, because they're dehydrated, you're applying a little teeny bit of heat. So like if you have issues with like thyroid and you can't eat complete raw like broccoli and stuff like that, because that will interfere with your medicine, it's cooking it a little bit, but not a lot. Just enough heat to kind of break those things that can cause goiters and stuff like that. That makes, or like Brussels sprouts and stuff that you have to actually break down first before you eat it. You really shouldn't, if you take thyroid medicine, you really shouldn't eat some of those things raw. You have to apply a little heat. Sometimes I tell you, like, kind of steam it a little bit. But I dehydrated it, so I'm good. It's a little bit of heat. So I'm just telling you guys, you know, there is an alternative out there for those that are suffering with this nasty green smoothie and can't get past it and can't lose weight, can't get that extra nutrition because you want to do that green smoothie so bad, and it's like, God help me. I have the solution for you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Because I'm right there. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling y'all. So I just thought that before I take my green smoothie, let me show you my green smoothie again. Y'all ready? There it is. My green smoothie right there. 3 of these and some water, some juice. And it's all organic stuff. It's organic stuff, guys. Don't be putting no nasty pesticides in your green smoothie and think you're still going to be okay. No. Organic. Clean organic produce. Okay? That's how you get it done. All right. We're going to have a video on the absolute necessity of organic produce. Organic food, period. Okay? But I'm not going to go there because that could be all day. And I do homeschool and I got to get back out there because their lesson is over in like 10 minutes. Their online lesson is over in 10 minutes. So, so have a good morning. Get those bullets, those ninjas, those Vitamixes out and start grinding. Well, you need to dehydrate it first. They got a good one at Cabela's. They do. They're a real good one. What's the other one? Field and Stream. They have a good one. It's a giant one, but I think Cabela's is like the bomb. Like, it's good. Like, it's as good as the Excalibur. I'm trying to tell you, I spent like $300, $400 on that Excalibur. Could have went to Cabela's, got one for $150, and they would have like, what? This is so good. I love it. I can keep that thing on for 3 days, depending on what I'm trying to dehydrate. If it's like really oily, like a pepper or something like that, it'd take a while. But get yourself one of those. Get it on Amazon, because you know we love some Amazon Prime. Get it 2 days. Sometimes some place you can get it the same day. Oh my God, I couldn't live in a state like that. I would have to move because I'd be like broke. All right, so be healthy. Do what you got to do and make things easy on yourself. Get the powder. All right, love y'all. Bye-bye.